Yes, hello student. Today we are going to start with cyber security lab explain number 3. So here we are going to discuss to perform a practical to use of tools to scan website security vulnerabilities and malware. So SQL injection tools, worms, virus, Trojan horse, different what we can say that bootstrap viruses, and what we can say that different DOS attack which is to be used by the attacker to attack on the website. Okay, so why they are using the different tool to attack on the website? So many innocent people doesn't know that how to protect the system from being the victim by the attackers. So attackers simply what we can say that simply send a pop-up, simply send a mail to particular person, and if that victim click on that window, so within a quick second that particular virus which is to be get installed on that particular victim's CPU or machine. And each and every second information which is to be transferred to the attackers, and in this way attacker get the control of that particular victim PC. Now vulnerabilities and malware, so these are the terms which is to be which is to be used interchangeably. So malware are the viruses, or what we can say that uh, the different software, different program, with the help of that we are going to uh, perform the illegal activity on the victim PC. And vulnerabilities means what? Here the attacker find out the loopholes or any weak point with the help of that he or she getting into the and get the control of that attacker, that victim's PC. So, malware is often used for one of more following: spread the viruses, infect and hijack your computer system, provide backdoor entry to reinfect website, infect and hijack other computers, compromise your applications, hold your application website hostage for hefty financial gains, damage SEO, spam, access, modify or steal your sensitive information. Now some different types of malwares are defacement, Trojan horse, worms, botnets, spyware, ransomware, viruses, adware, and cryptocurrency. And vulnerabilities, yeah, that we already discussed that here the attacker find out the weakness, the gaps, risk, and loopholes. With the help of that, he or she get the entry point into the system, and he or she will damage the victim PC. So the main question is that if we are going to surfing on the internet with the help of different security tools, so still we are our information is getting to be used or attack, or what we can say that which is to be unknowingly accessed by the attacker. So how we are going to protect our system? So there are different tools which are available on the online, okay, but this is the responsibility of that particular person also to he or she has to take precaution. Okay, so this is the general fundamental. So we have to protect our system and don't click on that particular pop-up windows. Okay, and then don't accept the friend request on the friend Facebook from those person those we doesn't know. Then also we can say that ki upgrade your operating system, upgrade your softwares, upgrade your antivirus regularly, and change your password regularly. Okay, now in related to the website, different tools which are available in the market and which are already available on the online on the free basis and premium basis also. So different tools which are Sukuri, Collis, Kotera, Intruder, UpGuard, Site Guarding, Observatory, Web Cookies Scanner, Detectify, probably Pentence tools and UminiWeb. So here out of that we are going to discuss with the Sukuri online app or Sukuri online tool. So Sukuri is the one of the most popular free website malware and security scanner. You can do a quick test for malware blacklisting status, injecting spam and defacement. Yes. So with the help of that we can easily find out that the given website, or what we can say that the given website or given online term has viruses injected with the spam, blacklisted or not. So Sukuri also helps to clean and protect your website from online threats and works on any website platform including WordPress, Joomla, Magneto and Drupal, PHP, etc. So how we are going to use that this tool? So just we have to put the sukuri dot or sukuri.net on the website or URL. You will get this kind of interface on the same, and those website you wanted to check that particular website is infected or not infected by the malware term. So just we have to put on this um, URL interface. So here we can easily check that, so whether this particular website has low risk, medium risk, high risk or critical risk. Okay, so this is the term or this is the tool which are easily available on the website, rather than these different terms which are also we can use on the online terms, that are Collis, Coursera, Intruder, Upgrade, Site Guarding, Observatory. Okay, as per our requirement we have to use this term. Sukuri also provide the security, or we can say that it provide the detail of that blacklisted website, or what we can say that mm, malware based website on the premium base also. So thus in this way we here we conclude that we studied and discussed the things uh, which are related to the website security vulnerabilities and malware. Okay, thank you.